Welcome to Lincoln Tech's Shelton campus, located just outside of New Haven. We have an exciting range of career paths for you to pursue in the healthcare, skilled trades, or culinary arts fields, and we can't wait to tell you about them. The training you need is right here. Lincoln Tech has been a top choice for career training programs for more than 75 years. That's because the Lincoln Tech name shows hiring managers you have what it takes to succeed. The healthcare industry is sure to continue growing across Connecticut in the years ahead. We offer medical assistant and practical nursing training, so you can choose the field that best lines up with your interests and career goals. Medical assistant training includes drawing blood, taking vital signs, filling out patient charts, and administering EKGs. Medical assistants work face-to-face with patients, so exceptional people skills are a must. You'll get the chance to practice those skills working with real patients during your clinical internship, under the supervision of medical professionals. You'll also prepare to sit for the Registered Medical Assistant exam, offered by the American Medical Technologists. If you choose our practical nursing program, you'll train in IV labs and a nursing simulation room. You'll work with patient mannequins, dressing wounds, administering medications, and more. Training also covers anatomy, physiology, and pharmacology. And later, you'll take your experience into the field at an off-site clinical facility under the supervision of RNs, meeting and working with actual patients. The final step in becoming a fully licensed practical nurse is passing the National Council Licensure Examination for Practical Nurses, known as the NCLEX-PN. Your Lincoln Tech training program includes test preparation to get you ready for the exam. If your interests lie in the skilled trades, our Shelton campus also offers electrician training. Our most important systems today run on electronic technology, things like fire alarms, smart home integration, closed-circuit TV, and security monitoring. Electrician training helps you build hands-on experience installing, troubleshooting, repairing, and maintaining these systems using professional tools of the trade. And our electrician program satisfies the required classroom hours for apprenticeship for the state of Connecticut. Air conditioning, refrigeration, and heating technology, or HVAC training, is now available at our Shelton campus. Across Connecticut, HVAC professionals are needed in both residential and commercial settings. In this program, you'll learn to troubleshoot and repair climate control systems, use environmentally friendly green technology, and perform energy audits. Hamden trainers are provided to give you the most realistic experience possible as you practice. Both the electrical and HVAC training programs are supported by partners like Johnson Controls International, the Food Processing Suppliers Association, and Hussman Refrigeration. These organizations offer advanced training opportunities at select Lincoln campuses nationwide. The Shelton campus is also home to the Lincoln Culinary Institute. Both our Culinary Arts and Food Services program and our International Baking and Pastry program train you to become a professional in the field. Depending on the path you choose, you'll learn to prepare foods and desserts using classical cooking methods, as well as the techniques and trends that are redefining the industry. In the Culinary Arts program, the focus is on dishes based around meats, poultry, and fish, and food service operation and management. Our baking and pastry courses cover cakes, breads, pastries, and more. The artistry of chocolate and sugar work are also included. Our graduates can be found working in the kitchens of restaurants, hotels, resorts, and more. At Lincoln Tech, all of our staff and team members, from admissions to education and financial aid to career services, are focused on your individual success. We'll connect you with employers who want to meet and potentially interview you for jobs on their teams. We assist students with financial aid through a number of grants and scholarship opportunities that are available to those who qualify. We also offer specialized services for veterans of the armed forces. We hope to see you soon at our Shelton campus. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at lincolntech.edu.